In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw from Fundednext. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fundednext.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go up to the right hand corner and go up to login page and then sign into your account. Once you've signed in, it should bring something like this, and here you'll see all of your existing accounts that you are trading from. From here you'll need to go over to the left hand side where you'll see the menu, and then you'll need to go down to payouts. Once you're inside of the payouts, you'll be able to see the withdrawal profit, you'll be able to see the pending amount and the dispersed amount. Over here you'll also be able to see the payment methods that Fundednext provides, either RISE, USDT or USDC. From here you'll need to simply go up to request your payment, and as you can see up here, the minimum payout amount is $20, and you'll also need to complete the KYC verification to enable payout requests. A good note is that it will take 24 hours to pay from Fundednext to your bank account or to your crypto account, so keep that in mind. From here you'll just be able to click up here in the right hand corner, request your payment, and then from here you'll be able to select either your wallet address or your bank account using RISE to get your payment. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!